How might one grasp dreams? With acute senses, vibrant vitality, and unlimited creativity, Bodor embarks on the journey of embracing laser dreams. From traditional industry engineering to emerging realms, from home appliances to heavy equipment, Bodor delves into the world of lasercraft. The brightest light shapes the dream from heart. Each venture starts a breakthrough anew. Since Bodor's inception in the laser industry, its course has been destined to infuse life and change. From research and production to global sales and service, Bodor focuses its strategy on laser cutting and welding machines. When creating its revolutionary laser scanning cutting new category, the pioneering spirit on innovative technology takes the stage and brings fresh opportunities for industry growth. With multiple top global awards, Bodor's design is acclaimed, continuing to lead the industry trends. Each stride pushes excellence forward. Through focused research on core optical components, the high-standard clean workshops achieve dust-free production of laser heads and laser sources. Standardized and refined production processes, along with quality inspection procedures, ensure consistent product performance. Through dedication and self-reliance, Bodor leads in building a laser ecosystem with 6 self-developed core technologies. Through innovation and change, Bodor is always a step ahead. In the smart digital factory, 9 automated assembly lines achieve standard and efficient production, delivering 1 Bodor laser cutting machine every 10 minutes. Supported by world-class intelligent manufacturing systems and stringent quality management, Bodor is committed to offering top-quality products with no defects, driving industry transformation and advancement. At Bodor, craftsmanship and intelligent technologies make the excellent quality a consistent performance. Bodor laser machine cut all the Tokyo 2020 Olympic and Paralympic symbols on the victory ceremony podiums. Each step aims towards tomorrow's best. Bodor's global approach and high-level European standard attract top talents from around the world. In 180 countries and regions, its footprint reaches to hundreds and thousands of customers' plants to fulfill Bodor's belief in paramount service. Bodor is committed to establishing a global service network. This ensures quick response times and professional service for global customers. As Bodor steps to the world's grand stage, the fixated focus, the story's new page, will celebrate the coming realities. Bodor Laser has secured the top-ranked global sales volume leader for 4 consecutive years from 2019 to 2022. At Dream Park, the future global headquarters of Bodor, spanning 300,000 square meters, a gathering place of diverse dreams, boundaries are removed, and ideas are inspired. Bodor will build a pivot for the laser application of tomorrow, and the largest laser cutting and welding equipment production base will rise. Bodor is clear that it is a time for steering the course of a brighter dream, to become the #1 laser brand worldwide. Bodor is born to light those fearless dreams. At Bodor, We use the brilliance of technology to offer customers an unparalleled product experience. Through philanthropy, we convey love, life to life. Light fearless dreams. Light up the beacon of the global laser industry. Bodor will shoulder the responsibility of leading the laser industry and co-creating better human life. Bodor, dare to dream.